Hello everyone, and welcome back to Easy Peasy Art. Today we're about to brew up some Halloween magic with a spooktacular tea party drawing. So grab your art supplies because it's time to stir up this creative cauldron of fun. We're kicking things off by crafting a cozy kettle lid in the shape of a pumpkin. And to add that extra touch of cuteness, let's throw in a curvy, fat stump for the kettle. Make the body round with a vintage handle on the side that swirls just like the magic in the air. But what's a tea party without tea? Let's pour some into our kettle. And for that extra touch of authenticity, we're adding small, adorable pumpkins in the water, brewing up the perfect Halloween tea party potion. Add some herbs and leaves to the brew. And don't forget to show it steaming hot with some vapor rising on top. Now, let's draw a cup on the side with Boo crafted on it. This cup will give you the perfect Halloween feel from the first sip. And to add a spooky twist, attach a skull to a thread hanging down from the teacup. This tea party is all about that authentic Gothic feeling, with vapors rising from the cup to make it feel steaming hot. Just to add that perfect party vibe, let's throw in a couple of cute ghosts flying around our kettle and cup, each with their mischievous expressions. To set the scene, we're adding a tea cloth under the kettle and mug with checkered details that look so vintage and cozy. Now let's dive into the coloring part of our masterpiece. The kettle lid, handle, and stump are shining in warm yellow, exuding all those cozy hues. The brewing water is in classic orange, as if it borrowed the colors from those small pumpkins brewing inside. The pumpkins themselves are in deep orange. With brown stems and green leaves floating in the tea syrup. And don't forget to add a peach hue to our tea cloth to make those checkered patterns stand out. And there you have it. Our perfect tea party scene is ready to enchant. If you had a blast brewing up this magical masterpiece, don't forget to hit that like button below. Thanks for joining us on this whimsical journey. Keep those creative juices flowing, and remember, art is all about having fun and letting your imagination brew wild. Until next time, happy drawing, and let's keep the creative cauldron bubbling.